Okay, I want to show you very quickly how to take your data from yesterday and put it into today's Google Sheet so that we can graph it. All right, so this is the lab report that you did yesterday. We only want the time and the temperature. So you're just going to take it and you're going to highlight all of your times and all of your temperatures. Don't get the observation. Okay, then you want to right click and click copy. All right, now we need to go into your work from today. Okay, here is your graph. Okay, and I have time and temperature already set here. So if you highlight just these two and then click paste or do Control V to paste it. Okay, and then you can just delete that out of there. Okay, now you have your time and your temperature in here so you can make a graph. Okay, I'm going to put in some sample data and then I will show you how to make your graph from there. Okay, so I've put my sample data in here and you can see I've got my numbers here. Let me put that there. All right, so I want to go back and I want to highlight this entire data table, and then I want to go to data, let's see, I can't remember, oh, I'm sorry, insert and then chart. We want to go to insert chart. Okay, and this actually turned out about the way we want it. The only thing that we need to change is go down here to customize. We want to customize grid lines and ticks, and we want step of, let's see, we'll do a step of 2. That's better. Okay. Step of 30. And we don't need the minor ticks. We only need the major ticks. And we want the minor and the major grid lines. Okay. Let's go to horizontal axis. Make sure everything looks good there. Do vertical axis. Everything looks good there. Show our axis line right here on the horizontal axis. We don't want to reverse the axis order. Okay, so it should automatically default to a line graph that looks like this. And if yours, it looks like a curve, that is perfectly normal. This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so don't think that you've done it wrong just because yours looks like an S. This is exactly what it's supposed to look like. And later on, we're going to answer some questions about this curve.